Many Filipinos grow up thinking that lechon is purely a Pinoy creation. In practice, it probably is, but the name itself is not. The word lechon clearly sounds Spanish. Philippine languages do not have the CH sound, which is why the word was Filipinized into litzen. In Spanish, however, lechon means a suckling pig. It comes from leche, meaning milk. A lechon is therefore a pig younger than 2 months, still feeding on its mother's milk. Slaughtering a pig before the end of its 2nd month and roasting it whole is considered a delicacy in Spain. This tradition goes back centuries, celebrated not only in Iberia but even in ancient Greece and Rome. The suckling pig, tender and rich, was a dish for feasts and special occasions. In the Philippines, though, the word took on a different meaning. What Filipinos call lechon is usually a whole adult pig roasted over charcoal. For commercial roasters and family fiestas, this means a pig about 4 to 6 months old. The Spanish word was adopted during the colonial era, but the practice of roasting whole pigs predates Spain's arrival. Anthropologists point to Austronesian roots. Our ancestors already had traditions of roasting pigs for rituals and gatherings. Hawaiians call theirs kalua pig. The Chamorros of Guam call theirs lechon asado. Across the Pacific, roasting a pig whole was a shared cultural practice long before European contact. In the Philippines today, both traditions exist. Adult pigs are roasted for fiestas, weddings, and holidays. But suckling pigs are also prepared in the European style, known locally as lechon de leche. The name itself is a redundancy, literally milk pig of milk, but it reflects the blending of Spanish language with Filipino culinary practice. So why is lechon lechon? Because the word traveled from Spain, but the practice was already here. Over time, the Filipino version became a centerpiece of celebration, a symbol of abundance and a dish that unites communities. Whether suckling or full-grown, lechon remains one of the most iconic foods of the Philippines, a fusion of colonial language and indigenous tradition, roasted to perfection. Next time you're enjoying a piece of that amazing crispy skin, you'll have a cool story to share. It's not just food. It's a piece of our history served on a platter. What's your favorite way to eat lechon? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical foodie stories.